In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see posts hidden from your Facebook profile. You can simply see hidden photos, videos, and reels in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Facebook. On the Menus page, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down into the section of your activity. Then select the first option of Activity Log. On this page, scroll down and tap on Logged Actions and Other Activity. Then select the fourth option of Posts Hidden from Profile. You will see all posts you hid from your Facebook profile just right here. That's how easy it is to see hidden posts from Facebook profile page. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.